Most people build a PC and ruin it before even turning it on. Single channel RAM, instant performance loss. On an APU build, you're killing your own FPS. Cheap power supply. One day, your whole PC can die. It's literally a time bomb. No airflow case. You didn't build a PC, you built an oven. Wrong CPU and GPU combo, money wasted. That's like putting a Ferrari engine on a scooter. Spending on RGB instead of performance. Clown move. No NVMe SSD in 2026. Painful. Still using HDD? Respect your patience. You don't need more money. You need better decisions. Fix these or keep losing performance. Comment your budget. I'll build it properly.